Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to be looking at a few must-haves for your kitchen. These items are OXO. Here we have the quick release multi-cherry pitter. The OXO Cherry and Olive pitter. And the OXO Strawberry Huller. This also works on tomatoes as well. First, we're going to take a look at the quick release multi-cherry pitter. This is what they look like when they are shipped to you. And it does have the OXO input. They lift up. Now this tray, this is where you put your cherries. You can do 1 cherry or 6 cherries at a time. This you put directly into bowls, and it's less mess when you're trying to get the pits out of the cherries. That's what the bottom looks like. It's a very handy little gadget tool for the kitchen. This is what the cherry and olive pitter looks like. This is for just 1 cherry or olive at a time. And you could pit cherries if you're baking pies, making pastries, or just for snacking. And this is large enough to hold the different varieties of cherries, from small to large cherries. This is a splatter shield. It protects work area from cherry juice and can be removed for cleaning. This comes off. And there's a built-in lock. It will keep your pitter closed for storage. This is how the lock works. You push it in and it opens it, and then you pull and it locks it in place. To remove, you just twist and it comes off for cleaning, and then snaps back on, twist back on. The multi-cherry pitter, this you can extend this part and you're going to place it over your bowl that comes in and out. You're going to lift the white part of the lid all the way back until the cherries fall into the bowl. And then you remove the pit tray, which is right here, for easy cleaning. This is where all your pits are going to go. It's very simple to use. Comes in very handy. And this is a little bit, shows you the examples on how to use all the different pieces. This multi-cherry pitter also comes with instructions. So you could see it explains everything. Very easy to use. And it comes in very handy. To begin, we're going to get a bowl. Then we place the cherry pitter over the bowl. This part is adjustable. As you can see, fits onto the bowl. Open up the cherry pitter. Next, we're going to add our cherries. These work best stem side up. That's where the stem, after you take it out, I'm going to put 6 in. And then we have 6 in there. Next, we close the lid. Close the lid down and press. Press as you're closing. Then we release. Let's see. It's loud, okay. Lift. Lift the lid. And that's where the cherries are. They're gonna fall in to the bowl through that part. If they don't come off, you can just push them off, but they're supposed to fall off. And here's one that didn't stay on. As you can see, it's pitted. The pit. So when you lift this up, you're going to see your 6 pits in there, and this is for easy disposal. I'll let you see what they look like after you remove this from the bowl. There's your pit of cherries. Nice and easy. This part comes off for easy cleaning. Align it straight. And here's all our pits. That's a lot of them. It holds our finished cherries in the bowl. And that was really easy to use. Now you can enjoy your cherries. Or you could also freeze them for recipes or to eat through the winter months if you like your produce more in season. Or you can freeze them if you like to eat your fruits more local. That way when they're not in season, you have them and you can always thaw them out. Add them to smoothies, baking. And now I'm going to demonstrate the one cherry pitter. Position it stem side up. That's where the stem is. And right in there. So it looks like that. This prevents it from splattering. Over a bowl, push down. Your cherry. And I should have done it on a different. Grab the pit out of there. And we'll do one more. Stem side up. And there it is. This one's nice and easy to use as well. Here we have the strawberry huller. This removes strawberry hulls, and it also does tomatoes. Strawberries or tomatoes of all shapes and sizes. And it's made so there's little waste. Non-slip grips. And it's stainless steel with tapered blades. And to demonstrate how the strawberry huller works, just push down and twist to remove. Or if you don't have the leaves, we could just go a little deeper. And that's how it looks when it's done. As you can see, it's very easy to use.